Hey guys, today I got a neon albino monkey for so less. Also got a really cool and hard to find mega. Should I ask for ads? In my opinion, kangaroo is easier to trade. I won't accept without ads. I have 4, but they're looking for neon. No way, only lamb is big win. Still so good. Big win. Are you looking for cheap and affordable pets? Look no further than bloxboom.com. The best part is that it has a market for games beyond Adopt Me. From MM2 and Pet Simulator to Block Fruit, Anime Defenders, and more, it provides everything you want. Plus, their friendly, professional 24/7 human live chat community. Support is always there to help with any questions you have. On top of that, use the discount code PEP for 10% off. So join hundreds of satisfied customers who've rated them highly on Trustpilot and receive your item in under 4 minutes, like the 97% of the other customers. Link in the description box. Naga, dragon, and squid is fair. Ads make it a win. Cool downgrade. But I'll pass. I don't have Mega Rooster, so I need one. I already got to Mega Penguins. Now I think I am overpaying. How did they confirm before timer? By the way, comment your thoughts on this. I kinda overpaid, I think. Loose for me. I've got offered neon leg lots of times. $16 ride potions seems to be a good deal. And I can make profit by trading them for 2 neon legendaries. Win if they had sand dollar and I would accept. And they never came back. They declined. Sorry, I didn't record it 'cause I was not on my device. Win for me, it's an upgrade. Though albino is kinda hard to trade, mega legendary Princess Capuchin is also hard to trade. Comment your thoughts. Bye guys.